What's going on, y'all?
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, we out here in school. We, the things that we learning is how to back up right now. So
I'm tired.
we learning the straight back, offset, and parallel.
Those
and
the
so
three backs
far,
you got to do to pass your test.
And so far, we on offset and parallel. So we pushing through. Next week, we got to really focus on our pre-trips.
Yeah.
So
we got straight backs perfect.
Perfect, all fast. You know what I mean? It ain't gonna come overnight either. That's something that we had to sit and realize. Like it's gonna take time. Nothing in life is pretty. Nothing gonna come overnight. So
today day 5.
Grinding. Day 5.
It's Friday, day 5 of being on the trucks. They consider it day 10 of class, but it's day 5 of being on the truck. So I'm trying to get my offset straight. I got it on one side, but I don't got the other side. I'm trying to get my offset straight. That's what I got to work on. He working on his parallel. And that's the last of the 3 backs. You got to do 3 backs to pass your test. So
listen, I'm going to tell y'all, man. This stuff might look easy in these videos, but trust me, it's harder than what it seems.
It's some work.
You got to really put in this effort to be out here. But listen.
I'm tired,
we got some content for you guys, us all week. All week we got content. It's about to get uploaded tonight, matter of fact. It got to get uploaded tonight because we ain't been having no content for you guys. So.
I recorded a lot of this back. A lot of it is just back practicing. And then today we started learning pre-trip.
We learned pre-trip. That might give me some issues there. Like, I'm going to really have to sit down and, real life, like, sit down like I'm back in school. Sit down.
But yeah, y'all, we've been practicing. Week 1 has mainly been practicing back.
Straight back.
Yeah.
Straight back.
Perfecting your straight back.
I'm so tired you can't see me in the camera, but yeah, y'all
perfecting your straight back, yeah.
But
so
right now, though, man, we gonna start a YouTube. I mean, dang, not a YouTube. We already got a YouTube. My bad, y'all. My man all over the place. But we gonna start an Instagram, man. Y'all go subscribe to our Instagram, man.
Yeah.
Y'all go follow us on Instagram.
We're trying to get this young bussing, y'all. Before he even head out on the road, we're going to get this page
let me let y'all know on that, too. Before she get on the road, I got to go on the road for at least 21 days. So I'm going to be a couple of weeks without her. I'm going to miss her big head self, but I'm going to miss her.
I'm going to miss him more, sadly. He has to go train. He has to go train because I'm not 21 yet. I won't be 21 until May. So I can't drive out of state until May. So he's going to go ahead and start getting that over-the-road experience. So he's going to go start his training. By the time he's done his training, I'm going to be able to drive and he can train me. And we can start doing our on-the-road driving.
On-the-road driving. I can't wait for that.
That's what we're waiting for right now. Every day is one step closer. That's why as much as I'm tired, my body's sore, but when it's my turn to jump up in that truck, I'm gonna jump up in that truck and keep working on these backs.
Getting in and out of this truck is a workout. So you ready to
man,
get
I
worked
swear,
out?
Y'all
Come out here, man.
I swear, y'all, my body,
listen,
man.
We at CDS in Chester, Virginia.
Yeah. If y'all couldn't have already seen from the footage seeing what's on the side of the truck, that's where we're training at. It's the learning experience, trying to figure out how to get, all the information in as best as you can. And within these 3 weeks, we're trying to do our 3 weeks test and get out. Some people are here for longer than that. Some people are here for a year. Some people are here for 6 months. We're trying to do our 20 days and get out.
Once we can do that, y'all, we gonna really show y'all content, man. Like, this is gonna be some good content. For real.
Yeah.
We're gonna show y'all what this trucking world like, man. Y'all come join.
Hit that subscribe if you're not already. If you watching this and you ain't subscribed, what is you doing with your life? Get it together. Hit that subscribe.
Y'all go hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all stop playing around, man.
Look at babe. Hey. Straight in them lines, boy. My boy, straight in them lines.
Yeah, you heard me.
Fucking God.
Let me talk that
This
shit.
serious. This serious
Let me
out
talk
here.
We
out here. This serious. What we got backing up?
Oh, we ain't do number 5s all the way. You
Five,
know.
straight 5.
I got a
on
4.
the
I ain't
board.
gonna lie to you, horse, but I came back with a 5.
But listen, we improving.
Yes, y'all, this on
That's
our
all
third
it
day,
is.
though.
Third day out here.
And we got our nails on.
Oh, I don't.
I left my lipstick in the
She
car.
do, they
my
cute.
lip gloss.
Look, we out here, yo. We been out here all day.
You know
8 a.m.
what we is? Our skin still pretty.
Still pretty.
Girl, we look like we
Since
got
8
makeup
a.m. Look
on.
at this.
We look like we got makeup on. Is it your camera or what?
No, it's just quality what it is.
But nah, y'all follow me. I'm coming next with cooking with
Look,
Cook. I mean,
when she get that trucking channel, y'all gonna go subscribe to her. You
Yes,
feel me?
y'all,
Cause she gonna give you the real.
Goofy is a fuck.
Goofy ain't even a word.
Yeah, but
girls out here doing this shit too, y'all.
And
You
it's
feel
easy.
Me? Don't be scared.
Listen, you don't sit
Don't
at
be
home and wait for
scared.
your man to bring that check. You go
Don't
out
wait.
there and
You
get
go
that
with
check.
him. You go
Yeah,
go get it. Go get it yourself.
Yes.
You feel me?
Cause I don't want nothing but some money.
That's it.
Get it counted.
That's
and
it.
stack
That's all. That's it. That's all.
Cause
Stack
if you
it up.
don't save the money, as in Jones would say, you gonna have a bad day.
You gonna have a bad day. Look, next time you get in there, I'm gonna record you. Y'all, she back that jank on up in there. We know what we doing. We working with
Hey, no,
something.
but
Day
my girl
3.
got all 5s all day.
Day 3.
All 5s all day.
Something
Yes.
slight, you feel me?
What's the name
I
of it?
started off bad. Road to riches.
Roll the riches.
Roll
no,
the riches.
I got something for y'all.
What you got? I'm recording, so make sure you get your 5. Make sure you get your 5. All right, now show 'em some. Show 'em some. Show 'em some. Show 'em what you do. This right here, the straight back, y'all. This the straight back. This the straight back. You did good.
Yeah.
Good job. You did good.
You did an awesome job. It was a question I was about to ask you. All right, so out of everything that we do out here, which one you
Make up your mind. What is all on you guys? You want it to be hot and cold today, you want it to be hot and cold.
It's going up and down, ain't it? It was felt good, then it started raining. Now the sun out and it's hot. Right.
Bipolar.
We started getting 5s. The sun come out. At least it was raining. You good? At least it was raining. We had a little breeze. Look, y'all, he going straight into the hole. I think that's a 5 right there. Ain't hit no cone. All right, that means you good. Come on up, baby. Come on up. Nah, he did good. That's a 5.
Yeah.
That's a 5. Hey. Hey.
Is that bad what?
It's a 5 blower.
Huh?
5 2.
Yes, sir. You got you a 5, babe. Keep going. Oh, he going back again. What you got to tell him? What you got to tell him?
Just in case y'all forgot, 5 is the highest you could get.
Tell him. Let him know. Let him know. That's all we do over here. That's all we do.
And then they don't have that off of Fifth Ward.
Right. I mean, you know.
You gotta bring it in, baby.
That 5. That's all we doing today,
Let
boy.
them know.
Let them
We're
know.
not trying to, man. Let them know we can get it from the back.
How we doing? How you think we doing? How we doing?
For our third day.
We doing better now with you, right?
Yeah.
This the expert right here. Third day 3.
That's the Mr. Miyagi.
What is called? He the
Wax on, wax off.
Okay. Okay.
That's
what it is.
to see him fix.
That's what it is, man.
Yeah.
Good 5-star batch. Y'all are killing it.
5-star, yes, sir.
You can go to sleep while you riding with them.
Shoot, I'm gonna be slumped.
With the baby in the back.
With the baby slumped. Nah,
Hit another bump again here.
I'm gonna be back there eating.
You done broke that train. He said we're going to the end. Oh, wait, no. He gotta go.
Your turn.
Got out.
Oh, he did
Your
get
turn.
out. Dang.
All right.
He got out right before him.
Come on, we rolling in the riches, y'all. We rolling in them riches. Show them how them girls do that thing. Show them how we get that money. Tell them 3 points of contact. Y'all, don't forget she got a baby in the oven.
I'm tired of getting in and out of this truck. Keep climbing up and down. I'm tired.
But she doing it, y'all. So that, you know what that means? Y'all can't give up. Because she got a baby on the way and she can give up. Then watch how she get this 5. That's a perfect straight back. Mind you, we only been out here for 3 days. Just 3 days. And this girl is perfecto. Perfecto. And then she got her support right there. Yeah, I like that, y'all. Huh?
Funniest man on the channel, they know what it is.
Y'all know what it is? Huh? No ones, baby. No ones. We only doing 5s or betters. You see my girl, though? With the baby in the oven. So if she don't give up, you can't give up. Y'all see that, right? You got to stay inside the cone. I want to let y'all know that. She's in there. And if you want to see what a perfect 5 look like, that mean a perfect pocket. That mean no pull up or nothing. Look at her. She even on both sides. Y'all see that? And that girl ain't give up. She did that. This our 3rd day, matter of fact. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget 3rd day action. You heard me? Huh? That mean 5. That mean 5. All the way live. All the way live.
What's up, y'all? Today is Thursday. It's been cold and raining all day, all morning long. It's like 1, maybe 2 now, but all morning it's been cold and rainy and miserable out here. Jermaine on his road trip. He on another road trip right now, so he's basically out driving the truck on the railroad and through back cuts, learning how to work the clutch, how to shift, and learning how to actually drive for the road test. It's a practice road test, basically. I just offset for my first time. Y'all, I was struggling so bad yesterday trying to offset that truck. I couldn't do it to save my life, but it's because I was getting so frustrated. I was getting frustrated very easily because it's difficult, but It's not if you know how to control the truck. The instructor we had earlier in the day yesterday, he wasn't really teaching us how to control the truck. He just wanted us to get it where it needed to go in. But the instructor we had later on in the day, when I was recording yesterday, he actually taught us how to put the truck where you want it to go. Not how to get it where you want it to go. You feel me? So that made all the difference right there. Your girl can offset now, and I could not offset to save my life. Hold up, y'all.
Get her up in there, girl. There you go. Swing back the other way.
Bolts are in place. You got that on the platform? Everybody, hello? The platform is not bent, cracked, or broken. There are no whales other than factory whales. And these mounting bolts are in place. That is your platform. It sits on the frame. You're going to come back here because the trailer's going to be over top. Do not talk about the locking jaws of the kingpin here. You will lose points immediately. He wants you to come back here. DB wants this. He wants you to point up, because in the real world, you get your trailer, you're going to look underneath and make sure them locking jaws are locked around that shank, which is the middle part of that kingpin, called the shank. So the locking jaws are not big, cracked, or broken. They're locked around the shank of the kingpin and not the head. Last but not least, that kingpin itself is not bent, cracked, or broken. Clear? All right. Everybody take lunch.